Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For a better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about what is debugging and how to debug in Android. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors, bugs or unexpected behavior in your code. All code has bugs, from incorrect behavior in your app to behavior that excessively consumes memory or network resources to actual app freezing or crashing. Bugs can result for many reasons. Errors in your design or implementation, Android framework limitations or bugs, missing requirements or assumptions for how the app should work, device limitations or bugs. Running an app in debug mode is similar to just running that app. You can either run an app in debug mode or attach the debugger to an already running app. Running your app in debug mode. To start debugging, click Debug in the toolbar. Android Studio builds an APK, signs it with a debug key, installs it on your selected device, then runs it and opens the debug window. If your app is already running on a device or emulator, start debugging that app with these steps. First, select Run, attach debugger to Android process or click the attach icon in the toolbar. Second, in the Choose Process dialog, select the process to which you want to attach the debugger. By default, the debugger shows the device and app process for the current project, as well as any connected hardware devices or virtual devices on your computer. Select Show All Processes to show all processes on all devices. Third, click OK. The debug window appears as before. To resume executing an app after debugging it, select Run, Resume Program or click the Resume icon. To stop debugging your app, select Run, Stop or click the Stop icon in the toolbar. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.